how to find and see all my story replies, history or archive on my Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in this video. So let's start. You go first and you open Instagram. Then when your Instagram is opening, you will just, for example, you will go here on your profile, then open it, and after this you will go to this three line here, and then you will go to settings, or not setting, you will go to archive, or sorry guys, you will go to your activity first, then in your activity you will go to interaction, and then you will find here story replies, and here we found all your story replies archive. And that's it guys, I hope these videos have found useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe in this channel. See you next